All right. Looks like you got a blue alliance already. Red alliance already, and we'll go ahead and start our match in 3, 2, 1. Another thrilling autonomous section here. 0 robot movement. Teams getting excited for the coming teleoperated period, stealing their minds for the upcoming stress in the next 2 minutes. All right.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we're off in another teleoperated period for qualification match 4. Looks like we've got a red robot popping wheelies on the red alliance side here. Very heavy arm. Blue alliance looks like they are grabbing samples and trying to clip them, or sorry, specimens, trying to clip them onto the low bar of the submersible. Got teams 6-3-6-6 scoring points by putting their alliance-specific samples in the net zone.
Flip it on! Get one on the edge! Let's go!
6-3-6-6, grabbing another alliance-specific sample to move it over to their net zone.
Get it on the side, people.
Team 5-7-6-2 navigating around their downed teammate to score some points. Teams coordinating, trying to get their robot up off the ground. Looks like we got about 15 seconds until endgame starts. Blue alliance grabbing whip samples, which I do not believe are worth points, off of the alliance wall. And that is endgame. 30 seconds left in the match.
Drive over there. Drive over there and touch the bottom bar. Go over and touch the bottom bar.
Coach is coaching.
Come on. You got this. Touch the bottom bar.
Got Blue Alliance preemptively parking, but not touching the lower rung, so they're not counting for points unless they get into the observation zone. And we've got 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And we have a Blue Alliance victory, 8 to 7 points. Sorry.